search out to achieve.
Kementeri Jangkatanat Kakot Kakia ikong Ampareen Lyngdoh ila pentik bagi Sorkar ke pentik na. Ya kinong Pyniaid Halor ke Jingkam bagi Jingkam ke Jongki Hagabayade bagi Jing Shakri ke 108. Ikong Ampareen ila ong bagi tenat ke lapen biang ke Jing Thua syabaro kinong Pyniaid ban pentik na Halor baro ke Jingkam bagi Jing Thua ke bawan ra ke Jing Pen Kolmar Jing Mut Hapeng Jongki. Ladan katuk ani na Hapeng Jongki ki bom don Jing Mut Satya banishim benta Halor kani ke kontrak kat kum ke wei ke Shiti ke balapha show mission director Sorkar National Health Mission Meghalaya.
Everything remains, nothing has changed. It's just that we are verifying the claims and documents. That's all. 108. What has happened recently is that there were allegations, counter allegations between the firms, all sending information that is, creating a lot of confusion, but not attending to those allegations is also incorrect. So the department now is processing all of that, writing to various authorities, agencies for verification of all of these counterclaims and claims of these bidders. And once all of that is sorted out, then we are likely to process it at a faster speed. But everything remains, nothing has changed. It's just that we are verifying the claims and documents.
Kumba hadu ars palai puprangut ki samla pulih